So let's continue with the task we had before. We are going to add unit testing to the menu utils, and we are going to create from zero. So in order to do this, I'm going to copy the basic from another one. So here we go. New Python file. We have to start the file with test underscore and then menu utils. Yes. Okay, and that will be that's 2147. Okay, and we are gonna import menu utils. Okay. We start the class with test as well. All right. So our goal now is to test menu utils, and this class has some difficulties because when we run menu where we found a bug, we see that we print. Okay. So that could be checked with the fixture capsys, which captures the output from the screen. And another difficulty is that is asking for input from keyboard. That's another difficulty. And we can see that here the class keyboard utils is initialized, so it's not injected as dependency. So we will be able to monkey patch it anyway, but just to remark it. Okay, so let's start with, I said that I want to, let me clear things. I say that I want to test this one. So test underscore. Okay. Okay. Then in order to run menu, I should do something similar to this. So, okay. Test menu. For the menu itself, we will have an array, and let's copy from the simple application. Okay. and this should return a option. Okay. So the first thing is that when we run this, the program will be halted waiting for us to enter something from the keyboard, which is not very cool. So I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna use monkey patch for this, and so I will add this to the test method. So this way we will use the fixture monkey patch, and we are gonna override some functionality. So we were checking before. Here I think I have an example. Yeah, I have this fixture. So for example, I'm gonna copy this. So one second. Oh, okay. When I want to monkey patch is from keyboard utils. So I'm gonna name this. One second. It is ask for a string. Then what I should mock is menu dot or keyboard and is ask for a string, and the parameters are those. Okay. And what I want to return is 1. So pretending that they have choose the option 1. So if I did it correctly, this should be equal to 1. Let's test this. Okay. Okay. Is another I have to use this one. Yeah. I took the bronc function name, and it's telling that cannot read from keyboard. So I'm gonna change this. Sorry. Um, okay. Now, let's try now. Okay. Also, returns none. That is a good example of things coupled that are causing a bit of problem. So I'm doing a lot of things here. So I'm printing and I'm checking from keyboard. All in one. So it will make more sense if I print, I extract the functionality to print, and I extract the functionality to ask from keyboard. Then I can test just the printing and just the asking for from keyboard. That will be much better. So if I wanted to do like now, to start, this will return nothing, and I will be executing, and I don't want to execute anything. So yes, makes more sense to break the functionality. So I will embrace a small refactor. So I will print the menu. Sorry, I have a call. I have to stop here.